Hot air guns are essential tools for DIYers, technicians, and professionals alike, perfect for tasks like shrinking tubing, stripping paint, loosening adhesives, welding plastics, and more. With so many models on the market, choosing the right one can be tricky. To make it easier, here are the best 5 hot air guns that deliver top performance, durability, and precision. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. WEP 8858 IV Hot Air Gun. Imagine stepping into your workshop or craft corner with a tool that feels like it was designed just for those moments when you need precise, controlled heat without any fuss or bulk getting in the way. This compact heat gun slides effortlessly into your hand and toolbox, ready to tackle everything from intricate electronics rework to creative resin projects and even vinyl wrapping with impressive finesse. The digital LCD screen lights up clearly, showing exact temperature readings that you can customize in either Celsius or Fahrenheit, ranging from a gentle 212 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to a powerful 932 degrees, giving you total command over the heat level for whatever task lies ahead. Whether you're shrinking tubing, softening adhesives, removing old paint, or speeding up epoxy curing, the adjustable airflow lets you dial it from a strong blast down to the softest whisper, ensuring delicate components stay safe while still getting the job done efficiently. What really sets this apart is the thoughtful engineering packed into its sleek body. The 700-watt motor heats up quickly and maintains steady performance, while the advanced temperature compensation technology works behind the scenes to prevent sudden spikes that could ruin sensitive materials. That means smoother results on circuit boards, phone repairs, or fine craft details where overheating would spell disaster. And when you're moving between steps in a project, the manual sleep mode is an absolute game changer. Just press a button and it drops safely to 212 degrees before pausing, so you don't have to unplug or wait forever to resume. No more awkward cooling periods or risking accidental burns. It's ready whenever inspiration strikes again. The kit arrives complete with 3 different nozzles that swap out easily, each shaped for specific jobs like concentrating heat in tight spots, spreading it evenly over larger areas, or directing airflow precisely where needed. This versatility turns one tool into a whole station for welding plastics, embossing, or even quick-drying tasks around the house. Built with reliable components and backed by solid craftsmanship, it feels sturdy yet lightweight, making long sessions comfortable and reducing fatigue during detailed work. From hobbyists experimenting with new techniques to professionals handling daily repairs, this heat gun brings professional-grade control into a portable package that fits everyday life perfectly. Pros: precise control, fast heating, adjustable airflow, sleep mode. Cons: limited nozzles, corded design. Number 4. JCD 8208 Hot Air Gun. Picture yourself tackling a tricky soldering job or breathing new life into an old electronics project with a tool that puts complete control right at your fingertips in a surprisingly compact form. This handheld digital heat gun feels light and balanced, slipping easily into your grip, while the clear LCD screen glows with real-time temperature and airflow readings, making every adjustment feel intuitive and immediate. You can fine-tune both the heat and the air volume directly from the built-in keyboard, dialing in exactly what you need for shrinking tubing, desoldering components, repairing phone screens, or even crafting with heat-reactive materials. The temperature range climbs high enough to handle demanding welding and rework tasks, yet responds smoothly to your commands, rising quickly and holding steady without wild fluctuations that could damage delicate parts. One of the smartest touches is the automatic shutdown feature that kicks in when the temperature drops below 70 degrees. If you set the gun down or pause mid-project, the fan gently winds down on its own, conserving energy and adding a layer of safety, so you never worry about leaving it running accidentally. Built with durability in mind, the sturdy construction and thoughtful heat dissipation design keep everything running cooler during extended use, while the high-quality silicone cable stays flexible even after countless bends and twists around your workspace. That green silicone line not only looks sharp, but resists wear far better than standard cords, giving the whole unit an impressive lifespan that stands up to daily workshop demands without fading or cracking. Whether you're a seasoned technician handling intricate circuit board repairs or a passionate maker experimenting with resin art, vinyl applications, or plastic welding, this heat gun adapts effortlessly to the moment. The rapid heating element reaches working temperature in seconds, letting you jump straight into the flow of creation instead of waiting around, and the precise digital control means repeatable results every time you pick it up. It's powerful enough for professional soldering station duties, yet portable enough to toss into a kit for on-the-go fixes, turning potentially frustrating repairs into smooth, satisfying successes. The combination of reliable performance, energy-saving intelligence, and robust build quality makes it a companion you'll reach for again and again, confident that it will deliver clean, professional outcomes without unnecessary hassle or premature breakdown. Pros: digital precision, auto shutdown, durable cable, fast heating. Cons: single nozzle, corded operation. Number 3. JCD 8898 Hot Air Gun. Dive into your next repair or crafting session with a brilliantly compact 2-in-1 tool that combines a powerful hot air gun and a precise soldering iron into one seamless, handheld station, eliminating the need to juggle multiple devices on your workbench. This portable rework station feels perfectly balanced, whether you're wielding the hot air nozzle for shrinking tubing, removing components, or shaping plastics, or switching to the soldering iron tip for clean joints on circuit boards, jewelry making, or delicate wiring fixes. The double digital temperature displays glow clearly side by side, giving you instant, accurate readouts for both the hot air and the soldering iron simultaneously, so you always know exactly what heat you're applying, without guessing or constant adjustments. Setting it up is effortless, and the intelligent design shines through the moment you start working. Pick up the hot air handle and it wakes instantly, ready to deliver steady, controllable airflow with rapid heating that reaches your desired temperature in seconds. When you're done with a step, simply place the handle back onto its dedicated stand and the auto sleep function activates immediately, dropping the heat safely and conserving energy while preventing accidental burns or unnecessary wear. That thoughtful feature makes transitions between tasks smooth and worry-free, especially during long projects where you might step away briefly or switch frequently between hot air desoldering and precise soldering. The versatility opens up endless possibilities, from professional phone and laptop repairs to hobbyist electronics builds, model making, heat embossing, or even quick household fixes like loosening rusted bolts or drying paint. Both functions offer wide temperature ranges that you can dial in precisely, ensuring gentle warmth for sensitive components or intense heat for stubborn solder, without overshooting and causing damage. The lightweight body and ergonomic grip reduce fatigue during extended use, while the sturdy stand keeps everything organized and secure on your desk. Built for reliability, it delivers consistent performance session after session, turning complex rework jobs into straightforward, enjoyable workflows that yield professional-looking results every time. Pros: dual function, double display, auto sleep, portable design. Cons: shared power, stand required. Number 2. Kada 887 Hot Air Gun. Step into your workspace and feel the satisfaction of picking up a sleek, portable rework station that delivers professional precision without taking over your entire bench. This digital hot air gun rests comfortably in your hand thanks to its ergonomic handle, while the bright LCD display keeps you fully informed with clear, real-time temperature readings that you can adjust effortlessly using dedicated buttons. Set your heat anywhere from a gentle 100 degrees Celsius up to a robust 450 degrees. Perfect for everything from delicate surface mount desoldering on crowded circuit boards to quick heat shrinking of tubing, removing stubborn stickers, softening adhesives, or even crafting with heat-sensitive materials that demand exact control. The 450-watt heating element ramps up quickly and maintains stable output, letting you dive straight into repairs on phones, laptops, gaming consoles, or hobby electronics without wasting time waiting for warmth. adjustable airflow complements the precise temperature settings, giving you the power to blast away old solder or whisper a soft stream over fragile components that would scatter under too much force. Swap between the included interchangeable nozzles in seconds to focus the heat into tight corners, spread it evenly across larger areas, or direct it exactly where the job requires, turning one compact tool into a complete solution for diverse soldering and desoldering challenges. Safety stays front and center with the built-in digital monitoring system that watches every degree, preventing dangerous overheating even during marathon sessions, restoring vintage gadgets, or handling batch repairs. The intelligent control circuitry responds instantly to your adjustments, holding steady once you dial in the ideal setting, so your results stay consistent from the first component to the last. Lightweight yet solidly built, it travels easily between home, workshop, or field repairs, proving that serious rework capability does not need bulky equipment or complicated setups. Whether you are a seasoned technician chasing flawless SMD joints or an enthusiastic maker experimenting with new builds, this station brings reliable, repeatable performance that elevates every project and leaves you confident in clean, damage-free outcomes. Pros: precise display, quick heating, adjustable airflow, safety monitoring. Cons: limited power. Number 1, and the winner is Quick TR1 Hot Air Gun. Feel the rush of power surging through a remarkably lightweight tool that transforms demanding soldering and rework jobs into effortless, high-speed triumphs. This smart portable hot air gun packs an impressive 1,000-watt heating element that rockets to operating temperature in moments, delivering intense, focused heat whenever you need to desolder stubborn chips, shrink thick tubing, weld plastics, or revive water-damaged electronics with confidence. The heart of its performance beats at an astonishing 60,000 RPM, driving a high-efficiency fan that pushes air with remarkable force while spreading warmth evenly across every surface, eliminating hot spots and cold zones that plague lesser tools, and ensuring flawless results on even the most sensitive surface mount components. Every blast feels controlled and predictable thanks to the advanced uniform heating design that maintains steady temperatures throughout extended use, letting you work faster without constantly readjusting or worrying about thermal damage. Whether you're deep into a complex motherboard repair, crafting detailed models, applying vinyl wraps, or handling quick fixes around the shop, the consistent airflow and rapid response keep your workflow uninterrupted and professional grade. The entire unit stays surprisingly light in your hand, making it a true portable powerhouse that slips easily into a toolkit or backpack for field repairs, mobile technicians, or crowded benches where space matters. Stability shines through every session as the robust construction and intelligent engineering hold performance rock solid from the first trigger pull to the last, resisting fatigue and maintaining precision even under heavy daily demands. That combination of raw 1,000-watt power, whirlwind fan speed, and thoughtful heat distribution creates a tool that feels alive and responsive, turning potentially tedious desoldering marathons into quick, satisfying victories. Enthusiasts and professionals alike reach for it when speed, reliability, and portability cannot be compromised, trusting its efficient design to deliver clean lifts, perfect shrinks, and seamless welds time after time without drama or downtime. Pros: extreme power, uniform heating, high-speed fan, portable build. Cons: intense noise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.